Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another travel vlog. It's our day 4 here in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, and it's currently 8:21 in the morning, September 23. And yes, ito lang nakakagising ko lang. Kita naman nakapanjama pa ako. This is my first time na mag-i-intro ng ganito. Para lang more screen time sa ating Airbnb. I might film some stuff as I get ready for the day. And for today, main agenda is coffee workshop at 12 p.m. And also, I have a reservation for dinner sa 4-piece pizza. Before the coffee workshop, I might go to Tiba Cafe. Kasi yun yung katabi lang ng coffee workshop. Para lang masingit ko na siya. And yes, magka-cafe tayo before the workshop. But I might order a non-caffeinated drink na lang. I plan to go to Season, Oakhao, and Roomish. Kasi yun yung malapit sa 4-piece branch na pupuntahan ko. I had a good night's sleep. Very comfy yung bed. Though medyo umaalog siya. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ayan o. Hindi siya ganun ka-stable. Malikot pa naman ako matulog, or at least before matulog, like paikot-ikot ako. Other than that, it was a good sleep. Nakatamad nga bumangon. Sabi ko, sulitin ko na lang ba tong Airbnb ko? Hindi ko yan ako babangon. But we have to maximize our days here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Medyo weird lang. Kasi tulad nito na I opened all the windows para maganda yung tama ng ilaw. I can literally see people in their offices. And people working can definitely see me. I'll update you guys again later. I'll probably bring you as I get ready for the day. Hi guys, so I'm done getting ready for the day. Actually, charot, hindi pa. Kasi I need to unbox this. Feel ko kailangan ko magpalit ng pants. Kasi naka-denim o denim ako, hindi matching yung colors niya. I think bagay yung binili kong pants during my first day here in Vietnam. It's from GN Saigon. Here. And so far, sa lahat ng mga stores na napuntahan ko, like nabilhan ko, ito may pinakamagandang packaging. From the paper bag pa lang, ang ganda na niya. And then, hindi na siya naka-paper bag guys ha. May box din siya. Social. And then may branding nga, oh. Tada! O, diba? May branding ulit. GN Saigon. I also like the name GN Saigon. I don't know. Parang mas bagay nga siya suot ko ngayon. So this is what I got from GN Saigon. It's a black denim pants na may pleats. And then white siya. Originally, I was planning on getting the blue color. Kaso, ang dami ko ng blue denim. And I feel like black would be more flexible in terms of styling. Sige, I'll try this out kasi feeling ko mas bagay siyang suot ko ngayon. Hi guys, I feel like I made the right call to change my pants. Hindi ko na nga pinahita sa inyo yung una kong suot. Kasi hindi talaga siya bagay. Yeah, I'm happy na in-unbox ko na yung pinili kong pants from day 1. This denim pants is from GN Saigon. It's a wide black denim pants na may pleats dito. So it kind of gives more structure to the pants. And yeah, I like it so much. This top is from Renata. Binili ko to nung Purveyor Fair. It was the only thing that I've been eyeing when I went to Purveyor Fair. And nung sinuhat ko siya, sabi ko, okay, bibiling ko na to. This is the time. And yeah, I'm really happy with these two purchases. I feel like I'll be able to use them a lot. Boots ko pala is from Zara, but okay lang yan. Sa Makati Cinema Square. Yeah, let me give you guys a quick spin. I really like this outfit. I feel like I ate with this one.
Early morning conversations, hanging on the edge of your bed. I don't have a hesitation when you're the one I see in my head. 'Cause you say something funny just to get me back, and I say something stupid just to make you laugh. Like, I read it in a podcast somewhere. I could be the one to kiss your heart. I don't have a
Hi guys, so I'm currently here sa Tiba Cafe. Ang ganda niya. As a plantito. Ang ganda niya. Like meron sila ditong mga parang, how will you call it? Plant installations. Meron din silang parang aquarium. And then, they have a good selection of drinks as well. Coffee and non-coffee. I ordered matcha with coconut milk. I was supposed to ask for a non-coffee recommendation, but hindi kami nagkaintindihan ni ate girl. Pero okay lang. I hope masarap tong matcha. I'll take a video of it first pala, ng close-up, before I do a taste test. But yeah, I'll be staying here for like 30 minutes to an hour. Kasi malapit lang dito yung location ng coffee workshop ko, which is at around 12. But I think if I have time, I'll need to find a place where I can eat lunch first. Kasi mahirap na, ang dami kong iinom yung kape tapos walang laman yung tiyan ko. Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast, hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Okay, tara, let's do a taste test of the matcha with coconut milk. It's on the sweeter side. Although parang medyo nakukulangan ako sa matcha. Medyo parang gusto ko medyo mas matapang pa ng konti yung matcha. But it's a good drink. Hi guys, so sakto paglabas ko ng Tiba Cafe, naglahat-lahat na ako and then may nakita ako nagtitinda ng barbecue with rice. I still have a few minutes to spare for lunch before I go to the coffee workshop. Malapit lang naman yung coffee workshop, siguro around 5-minute walk na lang. Ang problem lang is since tabing kalsada na restaurant lang to, walang aircon, yung damit ko ang init. Pero ginusto ko to. So, laban tayo. Tara, kain na tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung food ko.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're right.
Egg coffee, where it's from?
Hanoi.
Hanoi. And it's what cafe?
Trưng.
Trứng. Cà phê trứng.
Trưng.
Coconut coffee, where it's from?
Mekong.
Mekong Delta. Vietnamese name? Cà phê dừa.
Yeah.
So the coffee? Cà phê muối.
Muối.
Muối, where it's from? Huế, Hội An and Đà Nẵng. Last one. Cà phê
Suota.
sữa
Sữa.
đá.
Ta.
Yeah.
Suota.
Cà phê sữa đá. And it's from Ho Chi Minh City. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I have
Come
a
on.
present for you here. Oh. Recipe book. Oh. You.
Thank you.
Inside this book, I prepare for you coffee introduction.
It didn't hurt at first, singing every word. But when I finally got through blurry lines, I was horrified. Raining in my room, been that way since June. By the time it dried, I came alive and summer died. Watch your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. Manic pixie dreamed her right beside me, and she said she liked me.
Hello, so nandito ako ngayon sa Okio Cafe. Malapit lang to dun sa Oakhao and sa Season. And I'm whispering because all of the people on this floor are working and studying. And ito na lang yung available seat na may aircon. Though pwede pala sa baba, kaso hindi ko bet yung space sa baba. Dahil kakagaling na natin sa coffee workshop, hindi muna tayo magkakape. I ordered longan tea as recommended by the barista. And medyo napa-shopping ako sa Wow store. Bumili ako ng hair perfume, then isang perfume, isang ref magnet, isang print, and then meron siyang store sa harap nun, which is parang bookstore. Nagtitinda sila ng postcards. I bought postcards. Actually, may mga magagandang salamin sa Season. Pero, ewan ko, hindi naman ako mahilig mag-sunglass kasi nga, malabo mata ko. So, kailangan ko pa mag-contact lens para makagamit ako ng sunglass. Okay, mamaya na ulit ako chichika kasi nga nakakahiya. Sana nga naririnig niyo ako, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako. Tikman natin tong longan tea. Masarap siya, guys. Sakto lang yun. Hindi siya sobrang tamis. Alam tayo mga Pilipino, mahilig sa. Hindi siya sobrang tamis as a compliment for desserts and drinks. I think pag ganito naman yung aking boses, hindi naman ako super nakaka-disturbo. But ayun, 6 o'clock pa kasi yung reservation ko sa 4-piece. Kahanap pa ako ng pwede kong puntahan. Actually, pwede na akong pumunta sa Roomish. Pwede na akong pumunta sa Roomish. Mamaya. Maybe like around 4 to 5. Tapos, I have a reservation sa 4-piece ng 6 p.m. It's currently 4 p.m. So, I have 2 more hours. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal ako dito. Probably 30 minutes. And then siguro, pupunta na ako ng Roomish. Tapos, after nun, punta yung 4-piece. Yun lang, I'll just take this time to rest a bit. Also, charge my camera and my phone. Nakabawi-bawi naman tayo kasi kahapon maulan. So, hindi ako masyado nakapaggala. And also, naglipat tayo ng Airbnb. Balikan ko kayo later. Kasi I don't wanna disturb people because they are working and studying. Bye!
There's a memory in my head, somewhere buried in a mess. You touched me, and how could I forget? Brought me to you. There was something about the light, the way that it crashed into your eyes. My whole life started on that night, and I never knew. But every stop sign, every sunrise, every goodbye, everything that I felt was somebody else. Every long day, every heartbreak on the line.
Hi guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa 4-piece Pizza. Probably one of the most recommended restaurants here in Ho Chi Minh. And it's not Vietnamese food, but there's probably a reason why it's one of the most recommended restaurants. And also to take a break rin from all the Vietnamese or like Asian food that I've been eating for the past days. I got the half and half pizza. Yung isa is yung ham with burrata. Nalimutan ko yung name. And then the other is margarita. This is 350 plus Vietnamese dong. Definitely masulit to if may kasama kayo. But what I'm thinking is that pwede ko siyang kainin later tonight or tomorrow or in the coming days since my ref and microwave naman sa Airbnb. Gutom na talaga ako. Gusto ko nang kumain. And bigyan ko kayo ng close-up shot ng pizza. And then I'll eat na. Ang sarap. Okay, maybe I get the hype. So yan, may palibre silang ice cream. 1 scoop of probably vanilla ice cream. It says, welcome to Pizza 4Piece. Sakto. Gusto ko ng dessert. Charot, hindi siya vanilla. Parang yogurt. Hello, so I'm now back in my Airbnb. It's 8:44 p.m. After ko kumain sa 4Piece, ang tagal ko nag-iisip kung saan ako pupunta. Kasi I was thinking, dun ba sa malapit? Or pupunta ako dun sa mga gusto kong puntahan na malayo. Hindi ko na sila babalikan bukas or sa last day ko. So I ended up going to Deritage or Deritage. Basta yung store na may mga vintage accessories. And ang dami nga naman talaga ng vintage accessories doon. Vintage watch, vintage necklaces, earrings. Wala akong nabili. Habang nagtitingin ako dun sa store, biglang bumuhos yung ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan. As in, medyo bumaha na dun sa harap ng store. Kasi parang siyang maliit na alley. And then yung street na yun, ganun nakataas yung tubig. Buti nakaboots ako. Kaso masaklap. Nakaboots nga ako. So medyo elevated. Pero, naka-baggy pants ako. So, ang ginawa ko, tinupi ko yung pants kung ganyan. Tapos, naghintay din ako siguro ng at least 15 or more minutes para lang medyo humupa yung ulan. Pero wala, kailangan ko pa rin like sumugod dun sa ulan. Buti may payong ako. Simula nung lumabas ako, medyo tumila-tila na siya. Hindi na siya super lakas. Tapos, I was supposed to check 2 stores pa. Pero, pagtingin ko dun sa labas ng stores na malapit, parang sabi ko, wala naman ako mapapala sa mga stores na to. So, sabi ko, bago pa bumuhos ulit yung ulan, uuwi na ako. So, I'm back in my Airbnb. Kasang funny pa kasi, kanina may nabasa akong tweet. Sabi niya, basta, as someone na nag-uulit ng pants, T-word talaga ng ulan. Diyos ko, basta minura niya yung ulan. Tapos, kinote tweet ko yun. Sabi ko, awa na lang sa mahilig mag-wide baggy pants. Tapos, biglang umulan at ako ay naka-wide baggy pants. Hindi ko accidentally na manifest ko yung ulan today. Yeah, it's 8:47. Hindi ko alam kung may magagawa pa ba ako tonight. Yung mga cafes na malapit dito magsasara na ng 10. So like 1 hour na lang. Baka mag-takeout na lang ako ng coffee. Or hindi, baka mag-grab na lang ako ng coffee. Hindi naman ganun kalakas yung ulan. So I guess okay na umorder sa mga rider. Then probably mag-work na lang ako. Mag-edit ako ng picture since may deadline ako sa 27 para mababawasan na siya. And also siguro ipa-finalize ko yung itinerary ko since last 2 days ko na lang. Siguro ang may recommend ko sa inyo, if hindi kayo mahilig sa shopping or cafes, sapat na yung 3 to 4 days sa Ho Chi Minh. 3 to 4 whole days yon. Unless mag-tours kayo like yung sa Cu Chi Tunnel or sa Mekong Delta. Or meron pa yung parang desert na recently ko lang nalaman na para siyang pwedeng i-day trip din from Ho Chi Minh. Parang gusto ko lang magstay within the city. Pero I don't regret na parang extending my stay ng at least 6 whole days. At least hindi ako super ngarag when it comes to parang going to all the places that I want to go to. And hindi rin ako super... So, puyat pa rin naman ako kasi parang sira na talaga yung body clock. Pero ayun, I'm just yapping really. Again, I'll just order coffee probably and then edit photos. And call it a night. This is me ending my day. Ano nga ba ngayon? Day 4 ba? Day 4 of my Ho Chi Minh travel vlog. Thank you for coming with me today. It was a very eventful day. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and use my cook code Khalil Alcalakluk. That's it. Bye.